Whoever came up with this no leave out crochet method is a genius. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, girl, first and foremost, I got some bomb clip-ins to show you. But then two, this is a no leave out clip-in install. There is no leave out here, honey. None, not a piece, okay? Let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so today's hair was sent over from Curlsqueen. I just can't get enough of their packaging. I don't know, something about the pink and the brown. Also the goodies, you can never have too many brushes or bonnets. But let's get into the clip-ins. So I got the water kinky coily clip-ins this time. I believe this is a new texture for them and it is gorgeous. You get one bundle and that is all you need. Trust me, the hair is nice and thick. They also sent me this gorgeous scarf that was very well wrapped, okay? I loved it. It was super buttery soft. I don't know what the material was, but it was very soft. I loved it. So basically my braid pattern is like 4 straight backs in the middle. That's for the crochet, and then down and back for the rest of the way. So we're going to start by clipping the clip-ins in at the back, and I'm just kind of like taking a piece of hair and scooping it with the comb and then closing the clip so I can make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm also making sure to leave nice spaces in between so I can make sure that I cover my whole head, because we do have one bundle and the hair is thick, but you have to space it out. I'm also making sure that at the front I'm clipping the clip-ins in at an angle so it kind of gives the illusion that it's coming from my scalp. And then once we get to the top, like I said, I'm spacing them out so we can make sure that we have enough tracks and that it's not looking super bulky. So now I'm going to do the first half off camera, because first and foremost I needed to make sure that it was going to come out cute, and then also too, I wanted to kind of like get a nice rhythm going. So now once I get that done off camera, I'm going to come back and show you what I did. So basically, and also too, I had to like clip away the other side at one point because it was getting in the way, which you'll see. But we're gonna take the hair and separate it, and you could kind of try to be neat, but it don't really matter because you could go back in and redefine the curls. But then we're gonna take the crochet needle, stick it through the braid, and then pull it through. As you see, the hair was getting in the way, and after a while I had to kind of like clip it away. But anyways, crocheting the needle through and then pulling a piece of the curly hair onto the crochet hook and then pulling it back down. And I know it looks a little sparse toward the back, but once I'm done, that is going to be completely covered and you're not going to be able to see anything. But yeah, like literally crocheting the needle through, putting the hair on, pulling it back down, and it's good. No knotting or anything. This is the best method I've ever heard of, okay? Like, I love it. So now I'm taking this mousse and just putting it on my clip-ins, and then I also sprayed some water, which I didn't really show, but I sprayed some water and kind of am now trying to redefine the curls. I also went in and cut like a little piece of a bang on each side just to kind of like help to frame my face so it's not so one-dimensional. And then I had to go in and redefine the ends after that. I did like a little finger coil at the ends just to kind of help it speed up the curling process. But this hair is absolutely gorgeous, okay? And I'm gonna try to show you a slow-mo of the part.
Y'all, listen to me. Whoever came up with this no leave out crochet method is a genius, okay? Like, they are gonna have a special place in heaven for whoever created this method, because it is just genius. Like, I'm eternally indebted to whoever came up with this method. This is genius. There is absolutely not one piece of leave out right now, okay? Not one. I don't have any leave out anywhere with this clip-in install. This is bomb, okay? So normally, like if I'm wearing a wig or clip-ins or anything like that, I don't sleep in them. Even if like every day I'll take them out and reapply them. Like when I have in like kinky straight clip-ins or whatever, I will take them out at night and then reapply them the next day, because I just don't like to sleep with anything really like on my head unless I'm in like a protective style. But with these clip-ins in this style, I'm going to sleep with this in as if this is my hair. Like, I'm not gonna take it out until I take it out. You understand? This is genius. Okay, so moving on from the install, let's get into the clip-ins. Like, these clip-ins are really great quality, like really great quality. I've worked with this company before, and they're like kinky coily clip-ins. That's more like a tight coily kind of a texture, which matches my hair texture better. But I really like this texture as well, especially for like a no leave out method. Really, really pretty. I feel like this curl pattern is like toward the end, like a little bit more coily, but like I feel like in some parts it kind of gives like a loose, what's the name? So it's like a pretty mix. It looks really pretty. It looks really natural. The clip-ins feel amazing, like really great quality, really soft. You get one bundle, which is just enough, at least for me anyway. You do kind of have to space the tracks out and not put them so close together, because as you see, this is one bundle and it looks nice and full. And especially for me, like I like a more natural density kind of a vibe. So like for me, this is perfect. Because I obviously fluffed it out. If you want it to like have a little bit more volume, then you could fluff it out. If you want it to be more defined, then you don't. Like, you know, you could kind of like pick and choose. But I do feel like you have to space the tracks out, because if you don't, for one, you won't have enough. But then for two, it could run the risk of looking like you got way too much hair on your head. Like 2 bundles of this would be too much. So 1 bundle is just enough in terms of like density. But like I said, track wise, you have to space your tracks out. I have to tell you the truth. I am obsessed with this and how this came out. Like, I love this. This makes like wearing textures that don't necessarily match my texture so much easier, because I don't have to have any leave out. I don't have to worry about blending my hair with the hair. Also too, if you are in protective style mode, this is a great protective style because you have no hair out. You can let your hair just rest and sit under here. If you're not a wig girl and you don't really like wigs or lace fronts, you can do this. Do these. Okay. No, but seriously, like, this is just great all around. It's a great alternative for so many things. I don't understand why this is my first time doing this. Why, girl? Why? I don't know. I don't really think it's much else to say. I'm in love. I definitely think that you should try this out. Just this style in general. You could use these clip-ins or clip-ins that you already have. Try this out if you have not already. It is something to try. Like I said, it's a great alternative for so many other things. So once again, thanks so much to Curlsqueen for sending me over these clip-ins and collaborating with me on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the clip-ins or the company, I will leave all of the links to the company and clip-ins in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.